Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Wilderness Lodge to do a full room tour of a deluxe room with club access. This room does sleep up to 6 adults and has a really nice amount of space for everyone.
Now there's only a few of these rooms here at the resort. They're all on the very end of the building facing Bay Lake, which is a really nice view. They're a very different layout than a traditional room, about twice the size of a standard room actually, and that club access is really nice even though they're not on the floor with the club level lounge.
Let's go check it out.
As we first come into the room here, you can see this is a little bit larger than a traditional room. We actually have an entire living room area over here. We'll check it out in just a second. Over on the right when you come in, we have our closet, and this has some hanging space for your clothes. You've got an extra pillow and blanket up there for the pull-out bed and some storage space below for your luggage. There's also some robes and slippers in there because this is a club access room and they want you to feel fancy when you're staying here. And then the half of the closet over here that has the swinging door on it, you've got a steamer inside, as well as your in-room safe and some storage space below with the shelves there. There's also a connecting door for the room next to us if you need to utilize that. The bathroom is over here on the left, and there is just one bathroom here. It's got a big barn door with a full-length mirror on it, and that does not have a lock on it from this side, something worth pointing out there. We'll check out the bathroom in a moment after we go through the bedroom. Here in the living room area, we've got our table and chairs over here on the right. We do have a small light up above that. And then we have a TV mounted to the wall, very good size flat screen TV. There's a dresser below that has some wall outlets and some USB outlets there. And then there is storage space inside. These are actually doors that you can open up, and there's shelves all the way across inside there. And then looks like we've got a letter welcoming us from the club level staff here with some chocolates that have Wilderness Lodge on there, the logo and the little totem from outside the gift shop. They've got the hours for all the club level food offerings on there and a little more information about the things they offer here. We've got a lamp over there next to the TV, and then our sliding door that leads outside. We do have a small patio here in this room because we are on the first floor. If you're on a higher floor, of course, you're going to have a balcony. And the rooms here will have varying sizes and shapes to the balconies because they're down here on the end of the room. We got a couple chairs and a little table here. Not a gigantic patio, but it is a really nice view of the lake looking out through this little window right here. Also here in this room, we have a couch that pulls out into a queen-size bed. Alyssa will pull that out here in just a minute for us. We've got a coffee table here in the middle of the room, and then on the wall there's some artwork. Looks like from Snow White, I believe, with the bluebirds there. Those windows don't open, but you do have the curtains you can draw on those if it's letting in too much light. And then over in the corner, we have our little kitchenette coffee station area. We've got Friend Owl up there, as well as Bambi with a butterfly in the silhouette, a little sink, and then our Keurig coffee maker. In the drawer down below the coffee maker, we've got our coffees and teas and things like that. There's also a beverage cooler down inside this cabinet, and because of that club access, they have gone ahead and stocked that for us with milk and also with some bottled waters there. Of course, you can get additional drinks from the club level lounge during their operating hours. And then the bedroom over here, we have double doors leading in there, and these doors do lock. The one on the right actually bolts down to the floor, and then the second one over on the left has a lock on the doorknob there. And we have some windows all the way around this room, letting in lots of natural light during the day. However, you can see that walkway out there. That is one of the walkways over towards the boat from the cabins, so you may want to keep those curtains drawn if you're down here on the first floor. We have two queen-size beds here in this bedroom, and there is storage underneath both of them for your luggage. So there's lots of space for storage here in this room. Over on the side of the bed, we have a little end table right here that has the little arrow pointing over to the cabins. There is no outlet near this little table. A lot of the rooms have an outlet right by it, but this particular room doesn't, so it's just a place to store your phone at night. They also have a small little reading light built in to the headboard there. And then we have the lights up above the headboard. Really good lighting in this room. Between the uplighting on the headboards and the light up there on the ceiling, we've got a really good amount of light in here. We have another TV here in this room, so a second TV. It's about the same size as the one in the living room. We've got a dresser down here that has some more of those USB and wall outlets built into it. And then we have our drawers, 6 of them, pretty good sized drawers in the bedroom here. And then in the corner, we have a desk And once again, this desk has some more of those USB outlets and those wall outlets built in. There's a lamp over here with some additional outlets, and there's a mirror up there above the desk. And on the back of the chair here, it looks like what might be possibly a little Mickey head there in the blue. Hard to tell, it's a little bit abstract, but I'm gonna go with it. Up here on the wall, we've got some artwork that's really fun. It is the country bears out in the mountains. This is not something you'll find in the standard rooms here. I've only seen it here in the deluxe rooms. That's a pretty fun piece. We've got another one of those little end tables over there on that side of the second bed. And in between the two beds, we have a nightstand with a drawer, some more of those USB and wall outlets, and of course our in-room phone. Now the bathroom here again is just a single bathroom shared for the whole room. From this side it does have a pocket door there. You can see that pulled out from the wall a little bit. That does have a lock on it, but again the barn door on the other side does not. In the first part of the bathroom here we've got a double vanity, and there is some storage down below with the little shelves there and the cabinets. One of those cabinets has your hair dryer for the room in it. And then we have a backlit mirror up here on the wall, really good size mirror there, and our makeup mirror over on the other wall. We've got a good amount of counter space in here with the vanity, and then as we head over here into the other half of the bathroom, there is another door that closes off in here. You can see that one is just a standard door. Your toilet's in here, of course, and your tub shower combo. This has the glass doors instead of a shower curtain. It does have those refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then we have two shower heads, a detachable head and a rainfall style shower head as well. Now we'll head back into the living room area and check out the bed. Alyssa's pulled that out for us. You can see the queen size sleeper bed does take up pretty much all of the living room. You can still get by in front of the TV. It's not completely blocking the pathway there, but it does take up a good bit of the space in here. It allows you to sleep that fifth and sixth person though, and of course you can always fold it up when you're done with it. And that's going to conclude our tour of this deluxe room with club access here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other room tours at all the Walt Disney World resorts, on the Disney Cruise Line ships, and at other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.